With a loud boom, here comes Kaikuyu. Don't be fooled by her cute appearance. She's a scientific genius and Ichika's sister. Kaikuyu's here to deliver a special IS mech. A real 4th generation IS mech appears in the sky. It's unbelievable since most countries are still testing 3rd gen mechs. The mech's performance leaves everyone in awe. Suddenly, an emergency arises. An enemy drone is approaching the academy. Only Ichika's team can stop it. The drone is fast and unpredictable. Ichika and Kaikuyu rush to intercept it. The drone anticipated their moves and counterattacks. A boat appears, distracting them. Ichika insists on protecting the boat. Kaikuyu is frustrated but understands. They can't ignore the weak, despite their power. As they reflect, the drone attacks again.